Next question is, the perimeter of a square courtyard is 144 meter. Find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 15 per meter square. Here, the perimeter of a square courtyard is given. They said that find the cost of cementing. In cementing, we also consider this surface. That means we have to find the area. We have to find the area. In case we will consider only boundaries. When we consider only boundaries, then we will find the perimeter, and when we consider the surface also, then we find the area. Here they said that find the cost of cementing. That's why we will find the area of the square courtyard, and the value of perimeter is given. Cost of square courtyard is given for the 1 meter square. So let's start our question. Perimeter of a square courtyard is given 144 meter, and as we know that perimeter of square is 4 multiply side, so equate its formula with its given value. From here we will find the value of side, which will be equals to 36. So side is equals to 36 meter. And now we will find the area of square courtyard. As we know that the area of square is side multiply side. So side is 36. 36 multiply 36, and units of area are always in square. So they will become meter square. So after multiplying, we will get 1296 meter square. It means that the area at which we will cementing is 1296 meter square. Okay, now we have to find the cost of this area for cementing. So cost of 1 meter square for cementing is rupees 15. To cement 1296 meter square, we will multiply this term with 15. So after multiplying, we will get 19,440 rupees. 19,440 rupees. It means that for cementing 12,096 rupees, 1296 meter square, the cost will be used is 19,440 rupees. Next question is, find the cost of fencing a rectangular garden at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter if its length and breadth are in the ratio 4:3 and its area is 1200 meter square. So they said that find the cost of fencing. Fencing means we take only the boundary of the rectangular garden. That means first of all we will find the perimeter. So length and breadth are given in ratios. Let the length is equals to 4x and breadth is equals to 3x. Here they give length and breadth in ratio. So first of all we will write length as 4x and breadth as 3x. Then we will find the value of x and put its value here to find the exact value of length and breadth. So area is given as 1200 meters square. Now equate the formula of area with its value, its length multiply breadth, which is equals to 1200. Put its value, length is 4x and breadth is 3x, which is equals to 1200. 4 3s are 12, x multiply x is equals to x square. After dividing with 12, we will get 100. Then to find the value of x, firstly we will remove this square. It will become square root or under root. Now 100 means 10 multiply 10. So value of x will be 10. Value of x will be 10. Now put the value of x here, length and breadth. So length is equals to 4 multiply 10, which is equals to 40 meter, and breadth is equals to 3 multiply 10, which is equals to 30 meter. Next step is find the perimeter. Why we will find the perimeter? Because we have to find the cost of fencing. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply value of length is 40, value of breadth is 30. So it will become 70. After multiplication, we will get 140 meter. So perimeter is 140 meter. Now we will find the cost. Cost of fencing 1 meter is equals to rupees 7.5. Now how much money will be used for fencing? 140 meter. Cost of fencing 140 meter. It will be 7.5 multiply with 140 and we will get 1050 rupees. Okay, 1050 rupees.